here, I'll give my code. Okay, it is here. I was about to tell, okay, assignment of yesterday, that is 5th November. So you have to read the file, this file from the internet, and you have to find the total. Okay, so this is the code. You have to import the request library. You have to create an URL, and URL request.url open. You just open the URL and you call it as web file. Before this, you make a variable total is equal to 0, and you parse all the contents. Okay, here, if you want to skip these 3 lines, these 4 lines, just put 3 colon. So this is in the case of the file hopedale.data file. But in between, if there are commented, so this code will work. In between you have a hash, in between you have C. So then this code will work. Okay, so you read the line, strip it, convert that line into UTF-8, and if it is a comment or a C, then continue, don't do for calculation. In all cases, you just do lines.strip total. Okay, so when I run this, what it is doing, it is first displaying all the lines. Okay, all the lines. So you can calculate manually, you can calculate 22 plus 29 plus 2, like this you can calculate. So at the end, the total is 4,382. This is the total. This is the total. So like this, I want you to, manually, if you want to check, you add these numbers. That's it. Okay. You can verify it, but 4,380 something is the answer. And coming on to today's expression, today's topic, relational expression. Sorry, regular expressions. Sorry, regular expressions. So what is regular expression? Regular expression is a special sequence of characters that helps you to match, find a string, set of string, specialized syntax pattern. Okay, so regular expression is a string pattern. Normally, we use this string pattern in order to search. Yeah, Sujit has the same code. Good. So, Sujit, because the previous program, whatever I have taught in 4th November, I have taught one program. Read a line, read from local text file and calculate the total. Only thing is you have to modify to URL, the same variables, you have to use it. So maybe that is correct. So coming on to regular expression. Regular expression is a expression, it's a special string expression that is mainly used for searching. So regular expression, if you want to use, you have to import library RE. RE is a regular expression library that you have to import. And we use regular expression library in this particular chapter, that is search method and find all method. Search method will search, only search, and say true or false. Find all will find and returns the value. It returns the value. Okay, let us look into search method. Search method takes the regular expression pattern and a string takes regular expression pattern and a string and searches for that pattern within that string. If the search is successful, then it returns the object or else none. So it returns object or else it returns none. So the syntax is re.search. Re, I have already said, it's a library. Library.search the pattern, searching pattern, and where it has to be searched. Where it has to be searched. That is string. So the result will be sent in match. So I have taken one example. Let us look into a text file, mbox.short.txt. mbox-short. It's a mailbox. Mailbox contents I have converted into a text file, and it is stored. Look at here. So the file is not there. What I have to do, I have to just import this file. Okay, it is not there. So I'll just import the file. It is mbox.short, which is there here. Yeah. Open. I just imported. Okay, fine. It is done. So it's a big file. Let us see what is the content that we have in this mbox file. It's a big file. So look at here. This is a very big file. Very big file. It's a file, mbox.txt. It's a text file. It is having almost a very good number of lines. So almost you can see it's a very big file. Almost you have 1,900, 2,000 lines. Almost 2,000 lines are there in this file. Okay, in this file, I want to search for a word called from line. From colon. So if I want to find this word from, so what I'll do, I'll import RE, open the file in read mode. Yes, I'm opening the file. Later what I'm doing, I am just looping line by line for line in hand. So hand is nothing but file handler. Line.strip, I'm removing the extra spaces, extra padded new line characters. I'm searching. If re.search from, this is the searching pattern. If this pattern is available in this line, then it will print the line. So you will see all the lines that are having from. So if you run this code, you can see from Stephen, from Louis, from Joaquin, from RJ Lowe. So many emails I have received. From colon. So all these things. You can search. So Gopal Ramaswamy Cook. You can see Stephen Marquardt, like this. Steven, you can see from. So which are all the lines that are having out of 2,000 lines? It has searched within a fraction of a second. What are all the lines that are matching with from are displayed here. This is because of this regular expression search. This is very important when you take up any data science project. So during data science project, most of the times you do searching operation. Of course, regular expressions are not there in your syllabus, but I'm not targeting only on syllabus. I'm targeting for your future. Data science, if you want, after this Python course, I want everybody to take up data science course and do it. Okay. So there, for searching, this is going to be very, very helpful. re.search. Apart from this, generally, we use some specialized symbols during during writing of pattern. This is pattern. Here I have pattern is straight away the word itself. But you can write some patterns, specialized characters in the patterns of regular expression. We call it as meta characters. And these meta characters are, look at here. So if you want to say beginning of the line, caret symbol. Dollar symbol indicates the ending of the line. Dot indicates it's a single character. Question mark indicates It's a single character again. I think we have already discussed this in Unix. When we are working on fgrep, we discuss this. And that's the reason I have taken again in Python also. Star indicates character 0 or more occurrence. Plus indicates repeats a character 1 or more times. So if you want to write either regular expression 1 or regular expression 2, you can write RE1 or there is a pipe symbol, or RE2, the regular expression 2. Within square brackets, if you write, it is a single character bracket. If you write the round bracket, extract subset so of a string while you are using find all. So if you write the exclamation inside the square brackets, that is except, it means except. Observe the except the symbol, caret symbol within the square bracket is nothing but other than XYZ. It has to display, I want to display all the lines other than from. In that case, you have to put here. In this case, if I put like this, other than from. So caret, if I put like this, square bracket, if I put it like this, what happens? It displays all the words other than from. So like this. So let's, anyhow, examples I'll give. A, B, C, D. Any character, either it is matching with A, B or C, D. 0 to 9, A to Z. A to Z, we have already seen in Unix. The same patterns we are using in Python also. Small s for white space, capital S for non-white space, D for digit, capital D for non-digit characters, W for word characters, that is alphanumeric characters, alphanumeric alphabets A to Z, capital and small, plus 0 to 9 along with underscore. W capital, it's a non-word character, new line character, same way plus character. Sometimes you want to search for plus character itself. I want to search it for plus also. Plus has already special meaning. I cannot use that plus for searching. In that case, I have to use backslash plus, backslash star, backslash dollar. So if I write RE, the number, so it will calculate number of digits. I think we have already done this. Even in web programming, USN. So D of 3, that means if it is a digit 3 times digit occurs. Yes, the digit is of length 3 in display. N comma M, so at least N, at most M occurrence. So this is only N, at least N times it has to occur. So digit, I want all the digits to be displayed, at least which has 3 digits. In that case, you can write like this. Anyhow, examples we'll see. So look at here. If I write one example, digit 3 hyphen digit 2 hyphen digit 3, that means 3 number hyphen 2 digits hyphen 3 digits. Example, so it will match 562 hyphen 849. So like this. If I write like this, A dot star B. So caret indicates it is a beginning character, A. All the words that are starting from A. And after that, it should have any one word, and star indicates that word may occur many times. So the word has to start with A, and you may have 0 or more occurrence of any character, and at the end it should have B. So like this, if you write like this, So what happens? It will display all the characters like this. A, Z, D, 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 K, B, at last B, A, B, A, 1, 2, 3, 4, B, A, B, A, B, 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 A star something, 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 B. So this is also possible. You can refer. So starting character should be A and ending character should be B. In between, you can have any number of characters. So that can be taken like this. So other than digits, I want to print other than digits. Yes, like this. I want to print AEIOU. Yes, like this. I want to make Python P capital or P small. Yes, matches P Python or capital P. Yes. So caret dollar. That means it should start with the dollar. The digit should start with the dollar, and it should have any number of digits. So like this, yes. And caret plus, so it should match plus like this phone, plus 91, plus 1 something like this. If you want to match the digits, yes, it is possible. Where after plus, it should have two digits, and it should have 10 digits phone number. Yes, like this. F dot dot M. That means it should start from F, and it should have 2 characters in between, and it should end with M. It may be from, it may be FFM, it may be F star AM or F23M, just like that. And look at here, /S. That means it should have any number of string. It should have any number of string, and in between it should have an @ symbol, and in between you have a string. That means this is the one we generally use it for finding emails. Finding emails. Okay. Let us work on another, function. Anyhow, find function we'll discuss tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll discuss this find function. I think it is time. But remember one thing, all these patterns, I can certainly use it in my program. I can certainly use it in my program. So let me run this program. Okay, let me take this program. A dot star B. A dot star B. So I'll write the same pattern like this. A dot star B. If a line contains a word A that starts from A and ends with B, then you print that line. So you run this. Let us see, is there any words? No. No word is available. No word is available. You can see. No word is available. None of the words are matching. It is not matching. So if any line starting with A, just write. No word is starting from A. So like this. It is not starting with A. So starting from F. Yes, so many words are there. So in between you have file change. Some line is having file change. The words that are starting from F. Yes. The words that are starting from F, and you should have any number of characters, and it should end with $8. $8. That means it should start from F and it should end by 8. In between you have any number of characters. Yes, you can run this. So if you run, look at this. F it is starting and you have 8. F you are starting 8. F you are starting 8. F you are starting 8. So I want to see all the 2008. Yes, you can run this. Yes, same. Only 2008. I can see. So if I say, if I remove this, if I run, you can see everything. From also this is doesn't end with 2008. This also doesn't end with 2008. File changed doesn't end with 2008. So many are not ending with the 2008. Okay. So but it is still appearing. Still appearing. Like this. Okay. Still appearing. So like this, I want you to try. Take a screenshot of this program. You can try. Okay. Today, I don't have any assignment. Tomorrow, I'll give assignment. That is day after tomorrow. Because I have to complete search as well as find all. Then only I can complete, I can give the assignment. Okay. So, we can write like this. The lines which are having all emails, I want to display. Yes. You can see I want to display all the lines. If the line is having /S plus, that means it should have a string. It should have a string and it should be followed by @ symbol, followed by yes, sorry, followed by yes, and you should have dot and followed by yes. You can write plus. You can write plus. So email should have @ symbol and dot. Satish KV@gmail.com. So same way you can see zakwin@umench.edu. So it should match. So I just run it. It displays all the lines. It displays all the lines that are having email addresses. You can see all the lines that are having, almost all the lines in the mbox short is having the email address. See, look at here. Email address. All the lines that are having email address, I'm just displaying. Just displaying. You can see all the lines. This line received is also having email address. Sorry, is also having email address. Yes, every line is having email address. Every line is having email address. Okay, look at here like this. This is displaying. This is displaying all the lines. See, even this line is having email address at the end. Look at here, everywhere, every line has email address and it is displaying. And you are handling not simple file, it's a big file. You're handling a big file. Okay, you're handling a big file. Okay. So that's all for today's class. The class will continue, the same page will continue tomorrow also. And that's all for today's class. All class recordings are available in this particular website. Stay safe. Have a wonderful day. All of you, please type in your USN in the chat box for that.